Hey, it's Nina with Worship Piano Tutorials, and today I want to show you how to play the song Peace by Hillsong. It is so beautiful. And I'm going to do the live Hillsong conference version, which is in the key of C. The CD actually has it in the key of D, which is a little higher. So this is key of C. It's perfect for beginners because it's really easy. So this is how the introduction looks like. Stay true, even when lies come. So that is how the introduction looks, and let me break it down for you. So what you're doing with your left hand, with your right hand, sorry, is you're keeping your hand on the C and G, which is 1 and 5 of C chord. That's essentially what you're playing. You skip a beat and then you press it twice. And then with your left hand, you're going to be leading that rhythm. You're going to be starting everything with your left hand and you're going to be pressing on the C. And you can either play this in an octave or just that bass note. And then you're going to move down to G and then to F. So the left hand is going to be starting, watch. Can you see how the left hand starts? Left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left. So the entire verse 1 is going to work this way. So you stay true, even when the lies come. Your word remains true, even when my thoughts don't lie. Then you have a weird D minor here. So instead of it going to A minor, G, and F, you have a little switch around and it becomes C and then D minor. So what you're going to do is you're going to play C and D minor with your left hand, but your right hand is going to stay in that same place. So I will stand tall. Whoops. On its promise you made. So you have a C, I will stand tall, D minor. Then C again with your left hand, promise you made. And on made, you switch to F. Let the rest fade away. Oh, sorry. So on each promise you made, you ended off with the F. And then let the rest fade away. On rest, you go with the G chord. Let the rest fade away. There's a peace far beyond understanding. And you go into the chorus. So that G chord on rest, make sure you step into it on rest, because I tend to keep it. Let the rest fade away. And then the chords for the chorus are F with your left hand, C, A minor, and G. So very not difficult. I'd say pretty easy if you get it down. And with your left hand, you're keeping your hand on the 1st and 5th of the C chord. Super easy. So there's a peace far beyond understanding. La, 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 la. Peace is a promise you keep. And then you see that the chords on line 3 and 4 sort of start going backwards. So instead of playing F, C, A minor, and G, now you're going to go F, G, A minor. And then F, G, and C. Peace is a promise you keep. And peace is a promise you keep. And then here, you could either step right into the verse, or you can, just kind of keep C and then go into the A minor. You will stay true. You can kind of play that. You will stay true. which I think that's what they do in the original performance. So verse 2 is the same as verse 1. No need to repeat it again. And then the chorus, again, there's a piece. You're playing that same rhythm, you know. And then you go into the instrumental for the bridge. So peace is a promise you keep. So same chords as the chorus. You got your F, C, and then you have an A minor. Peace to the restless soul. Peace in the thoughts like joy. So same exact chords. One different thing that you can do in the bridge though is instead of keeping your right hand on that C chord, you can start moving around and playing actual chords. So playing F, peace when my thoughts may joy, peace to the anxious heart. That's who you are, that's who you are. Peace when my fear takes hold. So when you're going to be playing, if you decide to do full chords, you can decide to play that rhythm that you played here. You can decide to play that with your left hand. So for example, can you hear that? Like, so instead of playing it just 1, 2, I'm playing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 with my left hand. Just keeping that same basic rhythm that we did with the right hand up until now. So that's the entire bridge. And then when you end it off, that's who you are. And then you go back into the chorus. I found peace far beyond understanding. So here you want to play really basic chords. So instead of doing that rhythm that we did the entire song, this last chorus, you want to play it just chords. I found peace far beyond understanding. Let it flow in my mind's understanding. So playing basic chords for that. And then after you're done with this, you can move back to the bridge and keep kind of declaring that it's such a beautiful song. And again, you can end it off with playing basic chords. So you see how the song starts with this basic this basic rhythm, and then it kind of goes into chords. And then as well on the last chorus, you guys can add octaves with your right hand to make it super pretty. So like so anyway, I'm kind of winging it, but honestly, adding those octaves in is really pretty. And what my suggestion is to play the 5th of F, 3rd of C, 3rd of A minor, and then 5th of G. Again, 5th of F, 3rd of C, and then 3rd of A minor, and then 5th of G. And then it goes into G. Anyway, you can definitely play around with the octaves, but my rule is like 5th of F, 3rd of C, 3rd of A minor, and 3rd of G, just to kind of help guide you. But you can literally just kind of play by ear and find the octaves, the sound that you like. Anyway, so that's the full tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the entire cover that I'm gonna do with this song. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.